Ya llegamos, chiquita. Los flamingos. Ay, ay, ay.
Hola! Hola, baby!
Welcome to our crib. Emma, that is un tour at the JW Marriott. Palm Desert?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's desert.
Palm Desert.
Palm Desert. Your first weekend getaway. El primer viajecito de la bebé. Mira, empezamos con Emma. Enséñanos, ¿dónde estamos? A ver el cuarto. We got an upgrade to a suite. This is the walk-in closet. Plenty of space. The stroller fits here. We have our bathrobes. Emma's little boat thingy for the pool.
The floater.
Floater. All our bags. Diaper bags mostly. There's a desk if you want to work
You want to work?
on your vacation, which I think not. We got the pack and play for when she just wants to hang out. So this is something that the hotel is providing for us, a pack and play and a crib. We'll show you the crib right now where she'll sleep next to the bed. And this suite has a little living room with a TV, and then they gave us this little gift because we're celebrating our 6-year wedding anniversary
6 years.
with this baby. Chocolate covered strawberries. Happy anniversary, Mr. and Mrs. Echegaray, with some champagne and Emma. And there's 2 balconies, one right here and one over here in the bedroom. This is the bedroom. This is the little crib that we're borrowing from the hotel. Pretty good size. And let's see the balcony. The view to the pool.
No, the view.
Ooh.
Oh,
Wow.
it's hot. Emma.
Bebé, ¿te gusta la vista? Oh, mira. A ver, vamos a andar al rato. So continuing the tour. That's the bed, the little crib that the hotel is letting us borrow, TV, and the restroom, bathroom. Pretty good size double sink, a bathtub, a shower, and the toilet. And that's it. This is our room, our suite for the weekend.
Say
Bye.
bye.
Bye. Say bye.
You said bye, Emma. Bye.
Bonus, we came here with our family and we got a connecting room to their room. So we'll see. Vamos, Emma. This is a room.
With a third balcony. Say bye, Emma.
Bye.